Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can save a lot of extra space in your web hosting package by deleting unnecessary backups. So let me go here, this one. Now scroll down in WordPress website dashboard. I'm using all-in-one migration plugin for the backups. So simply let me go here, and after that scroll down. Here you can see these are all of backups that recently used. So now let me remove extra backups here. Simply you need to click on delete button. In this way you can remove all of the extra backups from WordPress website dashboard, and you can save a lot of your